Here's how to remove the page title in WordPress without a plugin or custom code. I'm already in the WordPress dashboard, so go to Pages in the left sidebar, then All Pages. Find the page you want, hover over the title, and click Edit. When the page editor opens, you'll see the page title in the field at the top. Do not delete it there. That field is the real page title stored by WordPress, so clearing it changes the permalink and the name that shows in the admin list. The title your visitors actually see is usually controlled by the page template, not this field, so leave it alone. Now go to Appearance in the left sidebar and click Editor. If you don't see Editor, you're on a classic theme, and the Customizer route is the one you need. In the block editor, click Templates. The list depends on your theme, but look for the template your page uses. It's usually called Page, or sometimes Pages. Open it, then click Edit if WordPress asks. This template is the layout that displays your pages. The visible title is not typed here as text. It's a block called Post Title. If you can't spot it, click the list view icon in the upper left. That opens an ordered list of every block in the template. Find Post Title in that list and click it. I always use list view here because the title block is often buried inside a group. Before you delete it, know that this is the global page template. Deleting the post title block here removes the visible title from every page that uses this template. If you need it gone from only one page, cancel out and check the page's template setting instead. To remove it globally, click the three-dot menu on the selected block and choose Delete. The block disappears from the template. Now click Save. If WordPress asks you to confirm it. Visit the page on the front end and the page title is gone. To pasten lådor skriva number south to the new key. If you only need this on one page, go back to Pages, then All Pages, and open that page for editing. In the right-hand settings panel, look for the template section and click the current template name. Some themes include a blank, landing page, full width, or no header footer template that doesn't show a title. If one is available, select it, then click Update and preview the page. If the title is gone, you don't need to edit the global template at all. If no title-free template is listed, the standard editor doesn't have a universal hide title setting, so check the theme options before changing the global template. Now, if your dashboard doesn't have Appearance then Editor, you are on a classic theme. Open Pages, then All Pages, edit the page, and look for a page-specific settings panel. The option might be labeled Hide Page Title, Disable Title, or Show Page Title depending on the theme. If you find it, toggle it on, click Update, and check the page. If that option isn't there, go to Appearance, then Customize. Look through the sections for page settings, layout, blog, single page, or theme options. Some themes put the page title toggle in one of those. If you find a page title setting, turn it off, click Publish, and visit the page again to confirm. The exact sections depend on your active theme, so don't worry if the labels don't match exactly. Removing the automatic title doesn't mean the page has to be blank at the top. Go back to the page editor, click the plus button, and search for heading. Add the heading block and type your own title, like Welcome to our website. From here you can change the size, alignment, color, and spacing directly in the block settings, which gives you much more control than the automatic page title. Keep an identifiable heading on important pages for accessibility and usability, so I usually add one instead of leaving the top completely empty. Click Update, then preview the page. One more thing people miss. If the title still shows after you delete the post title block from the page template, check the header template part. In the site editor, open Template Parts, click the header, and look for another post title block. Some themes place the page title in the header instead of the content area. Delete it there, save, and check the page again. Also, if you remove the title globally but want a title on one page, add a heading block to that page rather than re-adding the post title block site-wide. That keeps the change contained. And click Preview to check the page on desktop and mobile, because removing the title can leave the top looking empty on a phone. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people searching for the same thing.